Hello friends, welcome back to B's Accelerated Art. So, have you ever marveled at the stunning pieces of art and wondered how artists create such beauty? Well, let's pull back the curtain and explore the reality behind these masterpieces. You see, becoming an artist isn't just about being born with a gift. It's a journey, an ongoing process of learning, experimenting, failing, and growing. Take, for instance, the legendary Pablo Picasso. Did you know that he produced over 50,000 works of art in his lifetime? Or consider Vincent van Gogh, who despite his short 10-year career, created over 2,000 artworks. These renowned artists didn't wake up one day and start creating masterpieces. They devoted years to honing their craft, practicing their skills, and refining their styles. Art, like any other skill, can be developed and improved over time. It requires dedication, patience, and above all, consistent practice. So remember, just as a musician practices scales or a sportsperson drills techniques, an artist too must exercise their skills regularly to achieve mastery. But why does practice make perfect? The answer lies in our brain. You see, each time we practice a skill, we're essentially strengthening the neural pathways in our brain. It's like carving a path through a dense forest. The more you walk that path, the more defined it becomes. And science backs this up. Numerous studies show that regular practice leads to improved performance in a wide array of skills, art included. This fascinating phenomenon is known as neuroplasticity. It's the brain's incredible ability to learn, adapt, and grow. With each brushstroke, each pencil sketch, our brains are reshaping themselves, creating stronger connections between neurons. And the best part? This ability doesn't wane with age. Whether you're a budding artist or a seasoned professional, your brain is always ready to learn and improve. In the words of Dr. Joe Dispenza, neurons that fire together wire together. So the more we practice, the stronger our artistic abilities become. So what's the secret to creating captivating art? Well, we've journeyed together through the realms of mastery and the science behind practice, and it's clear that the key lies in regularity and dedication. The magic of consistent practice cannot be overstated. This is your golden ticket to mastering any art form, be it drawing, painting, or anything else that captures your creative spirit. We've also uncovered the fascinating concept of neuroplasticity. Our brains, wonderfully adaptive as they are, can change and grow with practice. Each stroke of your brush, each line of your pencil, is not just an expression of art, it's a workout for your brain, a step towards creating a masterpiece. No matter how daunting the blank canvas may seem, or how unsteady your hand might feel, remember to set aside time for regular practice. It could be an hour or even just a few minutes a day, but again, consistency is key. Remember, every artist was first an amateur. It's the perseverance and practice that separates amateurs from masters. So pick up that brush or pencil and start practicing today. Happy painting and God bless.